Hi everyone, today I'm coming on to make a sequins mix for a swap I'm in, and I'm using this Simple Stories Hard Eyes collection. So I'll put that right here because what I want to do is try and match my mix to all the colors here. So the first thing I have here, this mix is Melissa Mallory Midnight Flight. And it's a package that I got at a scrapbook store by my house. And so these are the colors in there. There's white, a couple shades of pink, a red, and a gold color that matches this really well. So can you see that? So that's my base. And then these are some sequins from Cartwright's. And they are the ballerina pink, and I love these. These are the 3 millimeter, no, wait. I think it's cut off. It looks like 6 millimeter, slightly cupped crystal iris. So I need quite a bit of mix because I'm in quite a few swaps. So, and then this package spilled, so I'm just gonna hurry and add those in there, okay. And then this is my Pyrex beaker and stirrer I got on Amazon. I feel like a scientist when I'm using these. Isn't that funny? Okay, and then I think I'll add, I need more volume because I need quite a bit. So this is just a package of white ones that I had in my stash. I probably got these from KS Crafts on AliExpress, I'm guessing. So I'm gonna add some more white. And then this is a package. I thought this would be cute because see how there's black in here? So this is from morebuttons.com and it's called Love Letter. And there's little envelopes and then pink and red lips. So cute. So I thought that would be cute to put in there if I can not spill it everywhere. So I'm just going to dump that whole thing in there, okay? And then we'll stir it in a minute to see how it's looking. And then because there's these stripes in some of these, you know, on some of the chipboards, and there's just a lot of stripes in the pattern. So for example, here's some little pocket envelopes I made last night, and there's these stripes here. And I'll show these on a different video. But so I thought these are also from Cartwright's. These are the little polka dot ones. And it doesn't say the name, but you can find them on Cartwright's. Oh, yeah, it is right here. White dots on black. And I have some striped ones, but I don't want to go look for them right now. So I'm just going to use these. And I don't think I'll use the whole package. I'll put about half because I don't want that to be the main focal point, you know. And then I have these. You know, this teal color, I guess you call it teal. That's what I call it, or kind of a mint green maybe. But I didn't have mint green, so I got on AliExpress one day and found these. I bought a couple of containers of these. I like how they come in this bottle or this plastic jar with a lid because, you know, when they come in these packages, if you don't use the whole package, then you have to figure out how to store them. And I just like to use the ones that are already in a storage container. It's just so much easier for me. But anyway, so let's stir that and see what we think. And I've just learned from watching a lot of the crafty people on YouTube when they make sequin mixes. It's kind of like going to the junkyard. You can just keep pouring stuff in here and it looks good. Okay, so I'm going to put a few more of the teal because it's kind of getting lost in there. And I don't know, I might need some more of those black polka dot ones. Well, maybe not. Isn't that cute? Oh, I think that's darling. The little envelopes. I think that looks about right. So what I'm doing with this mix, in some of the swaps I'm in, a requirement is to provide some sequin mix. So I have these cute little tiny bags that are self-sealing, and I'm going to put the mix in a bag. I have this little spoon. I have a lot of spoons. I just grabbed the nearest one I could find. So let's just see. There's 1, 2, 3. Let's do 4 scoops. 4. That's just about right. Okay, and then I'm going to pull the adhesive off and close the bag, and then I'll show you what these are going in. Okay, and so I've cut out these cute heart envelopes. I've got a couple here. These are from this die is from Scrap Diva Designs, and I will put my link below. If you use my link, you can I can get credit as an affiliate. Okay, and you know what? I need to find out if you can put, if I have a code that you can put. I bet I do. I'll put that below because I should have a code too where you can save 10% by using my link. So I'll put all that in the description box, okay? Anyway, so I just take one of these envelopes. Let's do this one. And I put Velcro. I had pink Velcro strips from AliExpress, so I just cut them in half because they're about twice the size. And because I didn't put any acetate here, you know, if I just were to pour the sprinkle mix in, obviously it will just fall out. But what you could do is put clear acetate behind this before you do your envelope up, and then you could just put your mix right in the envelope. But because I did not do that, then we're going to take my little bag here, and we're going to put it in there. And I knew it would show. Okay, let me do it up, and then I'll show you. See how cute? And then to dress the envelope up, one of the swaps I'm in, my partner loves these conversation hearts, and she's in California, and she loves the candy of these. She said they're hard to find. So in the swap I'm making her, I'm trying to use the candy heart paper from this Hard Eyes collection. And then I have bought her quite a few packages of the candy since she said it's hard to find in California. So what I've done here is I just cut out a foam heart with pink foam. And then I cut out that same heart on the paper collection from Hard Eyes. And then I just sewed it down the middle. And then you can see where I just kind of folded it up so that it would be dimensional. And then I'm just going to put some hot glue and put that right there. I think that'll be cute. Because if I put it in the corners, it covers up. So I thought just right there would be really cute. So let's put some hot glue on this. Let's see. I'll just put it on here. Okay. And then put that on. And then we'll decorate one more too. Just push that down, and it'll probably get, you know, this will get smashed when I package it, but then the recipient can just fluff it up like that. And I made it, the reason I did Velcro is because I wanted it to be reusable in case she wants to use it for something else. And I just feel like it needs something else. So I got on Etsy and I just typed in Valentine word printables, okay? And I bought some and I just cut them all out. And here's one that says hugs and kisses. So I could eat, well, see, if I put it there, it's going to smash. But if I put it down here, I think that looks cute. Let's put that on some foam so that it's three-dimensional. And I get these foam squares at the Dollar Tree. I absolutely love them. And they are very, very strong. They work so well. And I'm going to cut this in half because if I put it on full size, you're going to be able to see it. So, have you guys ruined your scissors with sticky stuff? These scissors are so bad because I cut everything sticky. I probably need to have one pair of scissors for sticky and one for not. Okay, and let's see. So if you want it to be higher, you know, you could even double this up, but I'm just going to do the one layer. So let's pull that off. And do I want to put it straight? Yeah, I think I'll just put it straight. Yeah, I just felt like that needed something else. What do you think? Is that cute? I think it is. Okay, let's do one more. So the next one is this paper here. So we're going to take the little bag. And I believe I got these little bags on Amazon. Let me tell you the size in case you're wanting to order some. Just type in cellophane self-sealing bags 2 by... See, and I don't know if the size goes all to the end or if it goes to where it folds. Let's just assume it goes to where it folds. And I dropped it. We'll do another one here. Let's see. So if I fold that down, that's a 3. Okay, so 2 by 3 is the size that you want if you're going to order some of those. Okay. So we're going to do 4 scoops again. Okay. 1, 2. Oh, I just think that's pretty. Look how good that matches. 3, 4. Okay. See, that's plenty full. There's no way I could put a 5th unless I wanted to really cram it in there. Okay, and then seal it shut. I've already got my, oh, I didn't do my Velcro on this one yet. Let's pick a different one that I've already done. Okay, this one has the Velcro. Okay, so we'll put this in there. So cute. I love this paper collection. In case you missed it, it's Simple Stories Heart Eyes. It's their Valentine collection they came out with this year. And here is my foam heart and the paper heart. Sewed it down the middle. Pull it out to make it dimensional. Add some hot glue. Push that down. And again, I'm going to add one of the words that I got off Etsy that I cut out. So there's pink and beige and red. This says my friend. I think I like either the pink or the red. It shows up a little better. So let's see. Here's a red one that says friends. And let's just look at a red one and a pink one. This one says hugs and kisses. Let's get that one. Okay, so let's see which one we like better. There's the hugs and kisses. There's the friends. And I like the hugs and kisses. I think it blends in well with this color of pink. So I'll take that, my other half of that foam that I cut. And one little piece like that is plenty because it really does, it holds really well. And we're going to put that on right there. And I'll show you the 2 again. And there they are. Aren't they cute? I have a few more to make. I'll just show you the envelopes so you can see what they look like with the paper. There's this one. And another one of those. Another stripe. This one with the ticket paper, and there's the black stripe on the other side. Isn't that cute? And I think that's it. Let's see. I need 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here's my 7th one. I have 7 of these to make. So those are the papers that I used. So I hope you enjoyed watching me make my mix and fill my little envelopes. And again, I'll find out more. I'm a brand new affiliate on Scrap Diva Designs website. So I'll find out what I need to do, but I will put the link below for this die. And since I'm an affiliate, if you do use my link, I get a little bit of commission. And I will also put in there if I have a code that will save you 10%. Okay? Alrighty, well, thanks for watching. Please come back. Bye for now.